just woke up. I'm gonna go downstairs and check out the gym. Oh, there's a small fitness center. Just has 3 cardio machines and some free weights. So many turns to get to the Dunkin' Donuts. Oh, and that's not a next. Why did I tell you to come this way? I don't know. She's my driver. I'm the passenger princess today.
Princess? In many ways than one.
What? Hold on.
Go 1, 2, 3. Jimmy, stand up. Okay, you guys can stand, sit, whatever you want. Yeah, that's good. That's good. 1. All right, ready? 1. Get ready. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead. Perfect.
Imagine you were Violent J. What would you do then?
And we're done.
No problem.
That's awesome. All right. Unless you guys got it.
The rain kind of ruined a little bit of everything, so we have to got to figure it out. I missed the text message. They're supposedly meeting at the lake. I have no idea where the lake is, and I'm just walking, hopefully trying to find it, because I really have no idea. I've been walking for like 5 minutes now in this rain. I'm trying to see on the map where it is. Found the lakefront. Oh yeah.
Oh, can I do the mirror thing again?
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
We have a mirror and she was standing in front of this, like looking in it and
Okay.
stuff.
Oh, go back? Oh, okay.
Walking around on these trails, it's become too much. My feet were not built for this.
1, 2, 3. Hold that.
We're gonna take one more picture, but without the wings. We're gonna put you on top over there if we can, and then we just want to get a wide shot of the whole lake. And you.
I need this.
No, you don't need it.
Tonight, get rid of that now.
So we're gonna do just a couple portraits, and then you guys are gonna kiss, and then we'll end it.
Okay, perfect.
All right? Well, he's doing the portraits. I'm doing the video.
That's fair. So,
All right, yeah. Look at each other. Perfect. Beautiful. Hold that moment. Hold that Kodak moment right there. That is it for now. I'm just trying to organize everything before we move on to the next step, which is the reception. And I might need some toast, but I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen.